नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अल्केमियनमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. आपण पाहतोय अल्डिहाइड केटोन आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड ह्याच्या महत्त्वाच्या रिॲक्शन. आपण साधारणपणे 5 ते 6 मिनिटांमध्ये एक 8 ते 9 रिॲक्शन आपण समजावून घेतोय. त्यातली रिॲक्शन नंबर 1 ही रिव्हिजन आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. तर नायट्राइल R सिंगल बॉन्ड C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N, नायट्राइल प्लस 2 वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल प्लस डायल्यूट HCl. रिॲक्शन मिक्सचर इज हिटेड. तयार काय होतं? R सिंगल बॉन्ड COOH ॲसिड तयार होतं आणि अमोनियम क्लोराईड NH4Cl. रिॲक्शन नंबर 2 अनहायड्राइड RC डबल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड O अगेन C डबल बॉन्ड O आणि R. अनहायड्राइड प्लस वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल, इट गिव्स 2 molecules of acid, 2RCOOH. 2 molecules of acids are formed. Reaction number 3 ईस्टर मधले दोन्ही R सेपरेट आहेत, अल्किल ग्रुप सेपरेट आहेत. सो ईस्टर इज ट्रीटेड विथ water means acidified water in presence of dilute H2SO4 means ester is treated with acidified water. Reaction mixture is heated. Ester is converted into acid RCOOH and R-OH. Alcohol is formed, acid is formed. Reaction number 4 methyl propanoate C2H5COOCH3 is treated with a dilute NaOH. Reaction mixture is heated. It gives C2H5COONA. Sodium propanoate is formed and CH3OH methyl alcohol is formed. Reaction then the same reaction. Sodium propanoate C2H5COONA is treated with water molecule in presence of concentrated HCl. It gives C2H5COOH. Propanoic acid is formed along with NaOH. Reaction number 5 Toluene is treated with KMnO4 and KOH. Okay, reaction mixture is heated. It gives a potassium benzoate. COOK group is attached to the benzene ring. Potassium benzoate is formed. Potassium benzoate is treated with H3O hydronium ion. It gives a benzoic acid. Reaction number 6 cumin is treated with KMnO4 and KOH. Reaction mixture is heated. It gives potassium benzoate COOK and benzene ring, that is potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate is treated with hydronium ion. It gives a benzoic acid. Then next, reaction number 7 phenylethene C6H5CH double bond CH2 treated with KMnO4 dilute H2SO4. Reaction mixture is heated. Phenylethene is treated with KMnO4 and dilute H2SO4. So phenylethene is converted. Okay, reaction number 8 and 9 once again you can see. Reaction number 8 cyclohexene is treated with KMnO4 and dilute sulfuric acid. Reaction mixture is heated. Then cyclohexene is converted into adipic acid. And reaction number 9 alkyl magnesium halide RMgX. Alkyl magnesium halide is treated with CO2 dry ice. This reaction is carried in presence of catalyst, you can see dry ether. So RMgX and dry ice CO2 is converted into RC double bond O MgX. Okay, this is the complex. Then RC double bond O MgX complex is treated with HOH and dilute HCl acidified water. Then RC double bond RCOO MgX is converted into RCOOH acid and MgXOH. This compound is formed. So these are the 9 reactions for revision purpose. Thank you for watching Alchemy N. Please subscribe my channel Alchemy N.